Hey guys, my name is Freedom. This is Vroid Studio 2.12. I'm going to show you the workflow, the pipeline workflow to import the Vroid Studio into Blender 5.1. It is really easy. I'm going to just show you all this step by step. First, you have to just click Export as VRM. That's the first step. Then click Export. From here, you need to fill in the avatar name and the creator's name. Then scroll down, click Export, and then just choose a location. As demo, I'm going to just choose desktop to export the VRM save. Alright, now the VRM file is already on my desktop. Next, I'm going to just open Blender 5.1. Click the empty area, press A, and just press delete button. Then go to the Edit, Preferences, go to the Get Extension. From here, search for VRM. Make sure that the VRM formats, you need to install it. Install the VRM format plugin. After that, it already installed, go to the add-on, search for VRM. Make sure the VRM format is already ticked and activated, already selected, then close. Then you should be able to see File, Import, VRM. And then, now actually you can just directly drag in the VRM file from the desktop, drag and drop to here, and wait for a few seconds. It may show not responding in the Blender sometimes. And then now you can see it immediately imported. Now we are going to just check everything. You need to wait for a few more seconds until all of the material texture will finish loading. So now done, you can see. Next, we are going to delete some empties. These are the empties. Click the first empties, scroll down, hold the shift, click the last one. Wait, click the first one, scroll down, hold the shift, click the last one, and just delete. Now, without the empties, this 3D avatar is already in the Blender. And you can see the skeleton is complete. You can just go to the pose mode, and you can just pose any of the bones. And also, you can just let the eyes to rotate. See? This is the eye bone, and another eyes. Alright, then we back to the object mode. We are going to check the facial expression shape key. Shape key is over here. All of the shape keys are here. Joy, sorrow. Alright, surprise. Now everything already done. Now we already successfully imported the Vroid Studio 3D avatar, the cartoon 3D avatar, into Blender 5.1. Everything smooth, everything success. It is ready for your 3D animation. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials about 3D modeling and 3D animations and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to this YouTube channel, and see you in my next video. See you.